This video shows how to install a customized curtain track for hotel rooms. The installer first places the track sections in the correct order. The sliding carriers are arranged inside the track before the track is fixed. Screws are installed along the back side of the track to secure the structure. The installer then adds the final sliding carrier and checks the track connection again. Correct curtain track installation helps the curtain motor run smoothly and reduces later maintenance. For smart hotel rooms, the curtain track should match the motor, window size, and control method. GLMZK can provide electric curtain control integration with wall panels, voice control, room scenes, and RCU systems.